How many different elements are present in ammonium nitrate? Ammonium क्या होता है? Ammonium is NH4 plus 1. Nitrate क्या होता है? That's NO3 minus 1. तो बस ये इसका फॉर्मूला है. तो how many different elements? I guess there are 3. NHN. नहीं, that's NHNO. Yeah, that's 3. N है, H है और O है. ठीक है, that's it. चलो ना अगला वाला कि aqueous calcium hydroxide is an alkali. Yeah, it is neutralized by dilute nitric acid to produce calcium nitrate and water. So what is your ionic equation? ठीक है. अच्छा, इसका मतलब डायरेक्ट आंसर ये कि डी है. ठीक है. Remember, if an alkali and an acid reaction. ठीक है. An alkali like calcium hydroxide, which is Ca plus 2, and OH is minus 1. So CaOH2 plus nitric acid, that's H plus 1, NO3 minus 1. Now, in any alkali acid reaction, the reaction होता है ना, वो तो यही होता है कि the base produces OH and the acid produces H, and the two combine and they form water. And whatever left, that's your salt. So it's calcium plus 2 and NO3 minus 1 that's left. तो उसका formula क्या होगा? CaNO3 twice. So in any alkali acid reaction, the ionic equation is this. ठीक है. The acid by definition produces. अच्छा, acid by definition produces H plus 1. बस एक सेकंड, अपना ये हैंग हो गया. Plus 2 and NO3 minus. तो वापस H और OH मिलके ना, so acid का काम क्या था? It produces, I mean that's the definition of an acid. It produces, it's a proton donor, and the base or the alkali produces OH ions. ठीक है. So बस उनका, so that's D is the answers. You must know this.